Slocum, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at the 30th question from the Linear Digital SAT Test 1, Module 1, Reading and Writing. Number 30 reads, at 2 weeks old. By the way, as soon as you see these answer choices, you want to ask yourself, does the sentence itself and the sentence before it show similarity or difference? So those are the first two sentences we're looking at here. Sentence reads, at 2 weeks old, the time their crucial socialization period begins, wolves can smell but cannot yet see or hear. Domesticated dogs, blank, can see, hear, and smell by the end of 2 weeks. So is that similarity or difference? Looks like it's difference. Wolves can only smell. Dogs could see, hear, and smell. So are we saying the same thing? Which choice completes the text morphological transition? Are we saying the same thing in other words, in different words? We are not. Are dogs being able to see, hear, and smell? Is that an instance or an example of wolves only being able to smell? It's not. And both those show similarity. Accordingly also shows similarity. We need something that shows difference, because if one could just smell and the other could use all three senses, that's going to be a difference. Accordingly means as a result. That's gone as well. By contrast, the only one that shows difference and is in fact your answer. Reading it in place with the end of the paragraph as well. At 2 weeks old, the time their critical socialization period begins, wolves can smell but cannot yet see or hear. Domesticated dogs, by contrast, can see, hear, and smell by the end of 2 weeks. This relative lack of sensory input may help explain why wolves behave so differently around humans than dogs do. And notice even the sentence after is pointing out their difference. From a very young age, wolves are more wary and less exploratory, and the question is, which choice completes the text with the most logical transition? But again, as soon as you see those types of answer choices, read the sentence itself and the sentence before it, see if they show similarity or difference. Here we're able to get the correct answer just by doing that. Ordinarily, you're able to eliminate a couple of answer choices. Sometimes you can't eliminate anything, but it's a good general starting point. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with these transitions, the conjunction type of questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.